Hello and welcome to Pay Academy. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw an hexagon within a circle when given the length of the side of the hexagon. So let me just give you a rough sketch of what you want to draw. So if you talk about an hexagon is a shape with six sides. This is it, something like this. So how do you draw this inside a circle? When given that the side of the hexagon is like maybe it's 3 centimeters. So let's do that. Since you have been given the size of the hexagon as 3 centimeters, the first thing you are going to do is to draw a circle with radius of 3 centimeters. So if you are also given the side to be 4, you are going to draw a circle with a radius of 4 centimeters. So now let me pick my 3 centimeters. So this is it. Now let me draw the circle. So all I'm having right here now is the circle of radius 3 centimeters. So the next thing is to draw a diameter on that circle. So let me call this side point A, and let me call it point, and this side point B. Now with the same radius of 3 centimeters, you come over to point B. That is where the diameter is touching the circumference, and then you draw an arc at the top and at the bottom, above and below the diameter. So you come to point A also. So you come to point A and also do the same thing. You are going to draw an arc above and below the diameter. So the next thing we are going to do is to join. So from point A now, we join into the arc that we've drawn below. You're also going to join this. Now we join this to point B. So from point B, we join into the first arc above the diameter. So we are going to join this. And that is it, guys. So this is how you inscribe you can call it inscribe an hexagon inside a circle, or you draw an hexagon within a circle. So you can see, if you should measure this hexagon, the side of this hexagon, you find out that they are all 3 centimeters. So you can see this is 3 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters on this side. 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. Or 3 centimeters. So whichever length you want to use, just follow the same principle, and then you'll be able to achieve this. So thank you. That is it for this video. If you are yet to subscribe to P Academy, kindly click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, to share this video, and I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.